welcome back to my channel. It's Queen Nizzle. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Do me a favor while you're here, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can continue to watch my videos, and also click on that bell so you can get notifications when I post new videos. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate each and every one of y'all. Pay no mind to my broken nail. These are my real nails, and thumb broke, filed it down. This one broke all the way down. You see the ratchetness? You see the ratchetness? We're gonna get that fixed. But anyway, so today I'm trying yet another wash and go combination, and this is a product I've had for a little while. It's the Design Essentials Honey Curl Forming Custard with honey and chamomile. And it says it also now has almonds and avocado. It's for curly and coily hair. And it says save up to 30 minutes styling time. We gonna see about that. I already used the almond and avocado detangling leave-in conditioner. It's already in my hair, so I don't need any more of that. Yes, my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. I used the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate-Free Shampoo. Why is that so hard for me to say? Sulfate-Free Shampoo, also with sweet almonds and avocado oils. And let me just go ahead and get this out the way. This shampoo is amazing. Amazing. It had my hair so soft and it lathered up a lot, but it felt so creamy, like a conditioner was in my hair. My hair still feels clean, but my hair is super soft. Like, I'm so impressed. I really like this. And yeah, so it's a moisturizing and detangling sulfate-free shampoo, and it definitely helped with detangling my hair. And my hair was very tangled because I've been rocking an old dusty dry wash and go that I needed to wash my hair days ago. I did not have a deep conditioner for Design Essentials for whatever reason. I don't know. I think I picked these products up at Sally's when they had like a buy one get one half off sale or something, because they can be pretty pricey, especially for this container of this custard being so small. I don't remember exactly how much it cost, but I know I wasn't gonna buy it without it being on sale. Since I didn't have any Design Essentials deep conditioner, I used the Cashmere and Caviar collection, their hair mask by Curls, and it got the job done. You know, I don't really have a whole lot to say about it. It got the job done, but overall, after just washing my hair, it's super soft. Detangling was a breeze. So I'm already liking this product, and I actually feel like this is gonna cut down on my styling time, so I'm a little excited to see what happens. So this custard, it's light, yeah, but it feels like it may have oil in it, and it may be buildable. It feels good though. It feels like it's gonna have good slip, and it smells really good too. Okay, let's see. So yeah, I'm going to do a wash and go, and I got my warm water for parts of my hair that get dry. And let's see what happens. I'm excited. Okay, so just starting from the back. My hair is already damp back there. I don't need to add any more water to it. Give it a quick rake through with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I don't know, I'm a little concerned about my roots. I don't want puffy roots. Add a little more to my roots, and I'm still not gonna shingle. I'm gonna do the rake and smooth method and pray for the best results. This jar is so small, so I'm gonna get all I can get. So about half of my hair is done. You'll see that I did shingle some sections or some parts of it because I don't feel like it is coating my hair enough. So I feel like I have to go back and smooth and then shingle to make sure my hair is actually coiling the way I want it to. I'm not gonna shingle every section, but this is what it's looking like so far. And I am going to continue to just do the same thing, go section by section, wet it a little bit and smooth and rake it in. I'll let you guys see it when I'm done. Okay, so I'm back. I did my entire head. What I can say off tops is my hair is super moisturized and it's super shiny. However, it is not dry yet. So the dry results determine, you know what I'm saying, the true test as to whether we're gonna like this or not. But it actually looks good. Like, it is really shiny and the curls are popping. It's a little sticky, like it leaves a residue on your hands from doing this. And again, I didn't want to really shingle, but I ended up shingling more than I planned on doing because it doesn't coat my hair as much as I would want it to. So I had to make sure I went through, worked it in, and gave it a little bit of a shingle just to make sure I got product on the strands and that my hair curls and my coils form the way I want them to. Little bit of product. I mean, I used half the jar. My hair is thick and dense, so I mean, depending on these results and how long this wash and go actually lasts will depend on if this is something that I'll continue to use, because this is a very, very small container. But if it's effective, might be worth it. We shall see. So, I mean, this is my final results. Well, not my final because it's not dry. It's not anywhere near dry. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Lots and lots of shrinkage right now. I'm going to let it air dry for as long as I can. Nowhere near dry. Usually when I do wash and goes, you know, the back is where I start. It would at least be dry in the back. And the back is not dry. So like I said, I'm gonna let it air dry for as long as possible, and if necessary, I'll break out the trusty dusty blow dryer and diffuser to make sure my roots get dry before I go to sleep tonight, because I don't want to ruin this. It looks so pretty. So I'll come back. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys my dry results. I'll come back and show you. Okay, so my hair is finally dry, sort of, kind of. I did end up having to use my blow dryer and diffuser. A whole day went by and my hair still was not dry. So yeah, I don't know what that's about. It's weird. My hair still feels like it's not completely dry, and I'm not sure what to make of that. I was tripping, like maybe my hair has been dry and thirsty for so long that I don't know what it really feels like to be moisturized. I don't remember. Nonetheless, it is very soft. The curls, they look great to me. Not a lot of frizz. Had I not used my blow dryer, I don't think I would have had very much frizz at all, honestly. You can kind of just look at it, like, and I'm a frizzy girl, so. But I do feel like my hair is swelling. It's so moisturized, I feel like it's swelling and it's not going to hold up in the humidity. It's got like a very, very soft hold. There's no crunch, absolutely no crunch at all. Excuse the packaging, I opened it up to see if there was some guidance in here. But I did use quite a bit of it, and like I was saying earlier, I felt like it wasn't coating my hair really well. Like, it wasn't coating the strands really well. I might use it for like a braid out or something if I'm not gonna use it for a wash and go anymore. The combination of these two, definitely, you're gonna get moisture. You're gonna get the moisture that you're looking for if that's your thing, like it's my thing. So I don't really have no complaint other than that I just don't think it's gonna hold up in the humidity. Like, I don't think this is one of those things that I could do for the summer, one product wash and go with this and be cool and have it last for days. If it lasts for a few days, I will be surprised. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you think, if you like my results, if you've tried these Design Essential products, or if you have a recommendation of like a different combination, let me know. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe and come back. Thank you for watching.